Evolutionary types of vertebrate kidneys. As we all know that the kidneys consist of a structural and functional unit which is known as nephron. But when we are studying for the NEET, we can come across different types of kidneys. For example, pronephric, mesonephric, metanafric. So let us study what are these types of nephrons. Basically, there are two types of nephrons or two types of kidneys. The primitive type of kidney which lacks glomerulus. A primitive type of kidney which lacks glomerulus can be considered as archinephric kidney, and a normal kidney with glomerulus can be considered as nephric kidney. These are basically two kidneys, that is archinephric and nephric. One is with glomerulus, the other one is without glomerulus. Let us study the three types of kidneys, that is pronephric, mesonephric and metanafric. The pronephric can also be called as head kidney, and this pronephric will be originated from anterior part of nephrotome. So what is meant by nephrotome? The nephrotome is the part of the embryonic mesoderm which gives rise to the total excretory system. So that means from this nephrotome, the anterior part will be developed as pronephric, that is head kidney. So its nephrons are in simple tubular shape, and the nephrons are not differentiated into glomerulus, tubule, etc. And this type of pronephric kidneys can be seen in tadpole of frog. The second one is mesonephric, and it is also considered as middle kidney. It arises from middle part of nephrotome. Its posterior duct is called as mesonephric or Wolffian duct. And this type of mesonephric kidneys can be seen in most of the fishes and in the adult amphibians. The third type of kidney is metanafric or posterior kidney, and it develops from posterior part of nephrotome. The nephrons in this metanafric kidney is well differentiated into Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule and loop of Henle. So this type of metanafric kidney can be seen right from reptiles to the mammals. The Wolffian duct in male anamniotes acts as both ureter and sperm duct, but in female anamniotes it acts as ureter. In male amniotes it remains only as sperm duct, since ureter is formed separately by metanafric duct. The oviduct in females of both amniotes and anamniotes is formed separately by Mullerian duct. There is one more canal which is called as Bidder's canal. The Bidder's canal can be seen in the kidney of male frog, and this Bidder's canal will be helpful in the transfer of sperms from the vas efferentia to ureter.